So never use these, never use these. You see how this has a step? See how that just steps? That water doesn't line up and fall right in the pipe. Well, this sharp edge, when the water hits it, it sprays out of here and all the water leaks right at the foundation of the house. Terrible, terrible system. They had to do that to get it tight to the house. We know this. We worked and worked and worked at this. Look at this. See how the water falls through our gutter adapter, vented clean out leaf filter, and then it gets funneled softly. Water doesn't spray out of this. We spent a lot of time developing that. Plus, this downspout can go down to here. If you have any settling at the house and this settles and slides off it a little bit, you're still on it and you're still catching the water. So these don't work that way. Only this much of the downspout fits in it. So when this settles, what happens, this falls. And this is no longer lined up. We see it all the time. These settle a few inches, and now this is just pouring water and destroying the foundation of your house. All right, so here's the old system. I'm going to show you a few things. So obviously the water sprays up out of these. It doesn't line up. We talked about that before. Guys put screws in this to hold it together. So those screws, you can see how leaves and twigs and debris get caught up on that. It clogs them right here. I don't know, we see a lot of failure. We know what failure looks like. But now they have a really good system. With the 3.5 inch pipe per downspout, they're going to stay really clean. They're going to keep really clean. They're never going to clog. We got a leaf filter and we got a catch basin on every line. So where's your catch basin on this line? Right there, beautiful. Nice job. Look at this, black. We have black decorative stone. So we got a black catch basin top. Beautiful job right here. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. You got your leaf filter grabbing up all the organics, the bulk organics, leaves, twigs, pine needles. Then all the shingle gravel ends up right here. That 3.5 with a not quite a 90, the shingle gravel makes it to that catch basin. It comes off the roof with a lot of velocity as the water falls. And then it hits that not quite a 90 that keeps its velocity up and sends it right to the catch basin. Under retaining walls and sidewalks, always take the shovel handle and make sure you pack that dirt under that retaining wall really well. We took this out probably a total of 30 feet. Now we have a really nice big green belt. Now we're not allowed to take this to the curb. In a lot of my videos, people ask about that. Zoning and ordinance enforcement will make us come back and remove it. And that just costs the company money. So right here, instead of going to the curb and getting written up, we stop right here. Now we have this green belt to soak up and shed all the water, and it slowly just works its way to the street. This is how you get around all those ordinances, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions regarding this installation, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.